In this quick video guide, we're going to see where we can download some free scalable vector graphics. And the website is called freesvg.org. And you can find here many types of vector graphics. You can find logos or illustrations, but also things like for architecture and more about that. So the site here, you can just search it, is this one. So it's called freesvg.org. So we're going to click here and we're going to get inside, and you can see that we can just browse the various SVGs, or we can go for a specific topic. So if I go here, I can see there are some text, some illustrations, and much more. If I'm looking for something specific, I can search for like plan, and we can see here there is plan views for architecture and electrical stuff, things like that. So just go for the thing you're looking for. So let's look for a logo, and there it is. So some examples of logos, and let's see some illustration also. So illustration. Up here you can also log in. There is a forum and so on. So these are ads for Shutterstock. So probably not free, and these are, as you can see, some illustrations. So let's say I want to go for this illustration right here. Okay, so I'm going to click here, and I can see the information. So you can also share it quickly, and the license, this is important, is public domain, so you can do whatever you want with this. And there are some other information about the size and so on. And also, again, similar illustration, but these are from Shutterstock. And also here you can see some related SVG images. So if you want to go for the rabbit here, you'll find some other types similar to that. And okay, if you're happy with the thing you found, you can just go and click here, download SVG, and that's it. You just need to save the scalable vector graphics in your computer, and this will be all. All you need to do then is open it up with an application that it's capable to read scalable vector graphics. I'm going to give you some suggestions at the end of the video on how you can do that. And also you have options for PNG files, which are raster images, so with pixels instead of vector graphics, and also without the background in this case. So you have a small format and a large format. And that's it. So this is how everything works. It's really easy. It's just a suggestion for you. I'm going to make a quick example with this file, and I'm going to save it here in whatever I want. In the download will be fine. Download folder, save, and now it's downloaded. So how do I open it? Well, I'm going to give you some suggestion for software that can open it. Now, I am a fan of Blender, so you can also do the same test because Blender is free and open source. So I'm going to go to File, Import, and just look for the SVG, and I can import it as a grease pencil here and as standard scalable vector graphics. So go here, select the file that I imported, import SVG, and there it is. So it's really small. Can select it, view, and frame selected, and there it is. And you can scale these. Since it's a scalable vector graphics, I can use the scale tool, scale it how big I want or how small I want. It's never going to lose quality because it's not made of pixels, it's made of vectors, and everything else is explained also in the Blender video course if you're interested. And something I can do here quickly is go to the data here in the right side, and I can just go to the geometry and extrude. So I can make this a 3D object or 3D logo, whatever, 3D illustration within a few seconds. So just gonna type a small extrusion here, and there it is. You can see now that it is also editable in Blender. So you can go to edit mode and you can see all the vertices here. So I can take, for example, this vertex and I can modify it just like I would do in 2D in Illustrator or Inkscape, etc., etc. So I can manipulate the graphics if I want. And I can also create my own graphics, my own. Here you have basically the in the ant, you have the curve section where you can draw shapes and again create vector graphics. Also going to change the material here. This is uh, obtained, this is inherited by the file, by the SVG file. I can just remove this so I can have the standard here, and then I can create a new one. So I'm just going to make an orange color here. And to see the material, you need to go here in the material preview. So this is the material. I can make it like a metallic looking object. Well, of course, there is a lot to know about Blender, but again, there is a video course explaining all of that in the channel. And this is the latest. If you go on the main page here, the Freesvg main page, you have like the latest vector graphics. So you can just browse and see if there is something that inspires you and interests you and so on. So I think there are some beautiful illustration in there, cartoons type, but also like more serious and so on so far. So how can you read an SVG format file? I'm gonna go here in my channel main page, and well, I suggest you a couple of software. So if you're looking for something free and open source, you should give it a try to and use GIMP, and also open source. So if you want to see the video course here, you can just type GIMP video course, and you will see the video course. Or if you're looking for something specific, for example, GIMP SVG, so you're gonna type here GIMP SVG, you can see there is a lesson for that. But also sometimes there are video guides, like simple guides to open graphic design stuff and things like that. Also, another suggestion is Inkscape, which is another free and open source software that you can use. So search for Inkscape video course. Now, if you want to spend some money, you can go for Illustrator, of course. So here you'll find the Illustrator course as well, and make sure you spell it correctly. So Illustrator in this case, and also the alternative is Inkscape, the alternative to Illustrator. And then we have also other types of courses. So if you go in the playlist here, there are all the playlists, and you will see the names. So we have graphic design, but for example, also in Blender, you can use SVG files. So if you want to do something for architecture or something in 3D for entertainment, you can try Blender. So if you go again, type the name, type the topic, and you'll find something here. Also, LibreCAD is another software for free and open source architecture and creating plan views and elevation views and much more. So this will be all for this video guide. I hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe to the channel here to stay updated for more videos, and also you can join if you want to support us and thank us. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next.